So at some point I had a video of how to repair a Doxy. Basically when you turn it on it would shut off immediately, and that is because there's some ball bearings in here that are jammed up and you need to replace it. So in the previous video I opened it all apart, but I found a much easier way of doing it since I got another one now that I'm supposed to fix. So first we just pull off the top, and then you have some little screws in there. So we have some T20 in here. So my laziest trick is to catch this guy in here and twist it out. So we pull this spring out, we slightly clamp it, and then we take a little plate like that. We want to do a little cut. So we take the old one, we put it on top.